I guess we're gonna keep getting them on. Well, once everyone gets their final seats, we'll be ready to make like a dreidel and take this bad boy out for a spin, huh? Yeah. All right. What'd you say?
What?
About 10-15 minutes. Yeah. All right, we're clear. Or 3 months, depending on the traffic out there. So, well, everyone, for your safety, remain seated with hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and supervise your children. Now, wave goodbye to all the nice people. Bye, nice people. Now, don't be shy. Wave goodbye to the naughty ones too. Bye, skippers. Santa knows what you did. Tax evasion. Yeah, it's always tax evasion for the skippers. Well, everybody, welcome to the one, the only, the world famous Jingle Cruise. That's right. My name is Skipper Caden, and I'm going to be your host for the next 12 days and one silent night. I'm so good at this, though, it's only going to feel like 10 to 15 minutes. So, now, we're going to start off in the Amazon River. Look out for some airdrop cargo. I don't know why they told me that. I can barely make a boat go. So, but if you look out, you'll see some holiday humbugs, and you might be able to hear them too if you keep your ears open. So let's keep our ears open and see if we can hear any of these holiday humbugs. Oh yikes! I guess they're bah humbugs this year. Yeah. Now, if you feel any itchiness, don't be worried. That's just probably the fleas, Navi Don. They like to come out around this time of year as well. So, now, if you do drop anything in the river today, just raise your hand for me, okay? Then I'll raise my hand, and we can both wave goodbye to it together, because you're never gonna see it again. I'll tell you that right now. Now, we're entering the Congo River, but that engine's making some weird noises, so we're gonna see how far we Congo. Yeah. Now, right behind me is boats and baits and bites, and we got this place decked out for the holidays. We got, I'm talking lights, ornaments, tree. Whoa, what? I don't see any decorations. Canoe? Canoe? Cannot, actually, yeah. Whoa! Someone's getting a dead tree for Christmas, yeah. But at least someone wrapped it and put a boa on top. Yeah. Whoa, it's a blowout Black Friday sale. Look at those shoppers. They're going ape over these deals, yeah. You know, they remind me of my family on Black Friday. Hairy and violent, yeah. Look what they did to that car. Oh my goodness. They painted it teal. What an ugly color. Yeah. Hey, at least they got that engine to turn over. Yeah, someone got a monkey wrench in their stocking, yeah. Now, we are entering the Nile River, and it's really hard to traverse this time of year. Do you guys know why? It's got a really strong fuel tide. Yeah. It's also one of the longest rivers in the world. You know, they say it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you would be in Africa. Come on, you guys. Now, we got some African bull elephants over here. Now, did you guys know that Santa Claus himself used to use African bull elephants instead of reindeer? Yeah. Yeah. I mean, look at them. They got great trunk space. Yeah. But he kept on getting too many complaints about the roof damage, so he had to switch. Oh, look, folks, that's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock. The one and only. You know, a lot of people take it for granted. Yeah. Now we are entering the African belt, and I need you all to keep a lookout for my pet rhino. His name is Christmas Spirit. I seem to have lost the Christmas Spirit. Can anyone see him? No. I just see this family of lions enjoying a nice holiday dinner. Zebra on the rumps. Yeah. Well, they used a lot of cranberry sauce, too. That's way too much. There's no way that tastes that good. Oh, yikes, not cranberry sauce. Hey, but look, there's my pet rhino, Christmas Spirit. There he is. And that's Skipper Ebenezer. You know, he's been a real Scrooge this time of year. We keep on telling him to cheer up. I don't think he's listening to us, though. But it looks like Christmas Spirit got the point to him in the end. Quite literally, ouch. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Now, right around this corner, we are in crocodile country, so danger could be lurking around this corner. Never mind, folks, no danger. It's just Mr. Frost and his wife, Ginger. Now, you gotta watch out because Mr. Frost bites and Ginger snaps. Yeah, she's one tough cookie. Now, I do have a special guest for you all. You know, he's from the North Pole. You know him from the song. He's got a corncob pipe, a button nose, 2 eyes made out of coal. Give it up for exactly the same way I scare off my extended family at holiday dinners. So give me a second.
Yes, I'm still single. No, I don't have a real job.
Yeah, that always gets them to go away real quick. Oh my goodness. Everybody get down, pretend like we're not home. It's Christmas carolers. Okay, okay, they know we're here. Does anyone have any figgy pudding? No, they won't go away until they get some figgy pudding. I don't even know what figgy pudding is, so. Alright. That was close. That was some of the worst caroling I've ever seen. What? Guys, I told you you could open one early, not all of them. You know how long it took me to wrap all those? And you know, I'm a pretty good presents wrapper. You guys know that? You guys want to see how good I am at wrapping presents? Presents. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Alright, everybody, get ready for the one, the only, the eighth wonder of the world.
The backside of water.
Isn't that just awesome? Yeah. You know, some jokes never go out of season, folks. Yeah, I'll tell you that. Now, we were going to show you the backside of eggnog, but, we drank it all, so, yeah. Now, we are entering the Mekong River, and oh my goodness. Do you see what I see? Presents, decorations, a spooky, scary, dark tunnel. You know where we are, right? The secret entrance to Santa's workshop. This is going to be really exciting. Everyone get your lists ready. Take any pictures you'd like. It's okay. Don't worry. They all have their trunks on. Yeah. Oh, look at that up there. Yeah. A baby elephant flying underneath the full moon. Yeah. And that's Bert over there. Just ignore her. She's screaming and crying because she's on the naughty list. Yeah. She's trying to spray the people on our boats. Oh my goodness. Just like this. Duck, duck, duck. You guys, duck. Okay, that one didn't have enough time to reload. Okay, this one definitely did though. It's ready. Duck, duck. You guys. I'm not kidding. I'm kidding. These elephants just love to prank people, yeah. There's some pretty silly pranksters. Now, did you guys know a lot of people think that it's water that comes out of the trunks of those elephants? But fun fact, it's not. Yeah, it's not. Well, folks, we're not out of the woods just yet. I mean, I can tell because there's still a bunch of trees around. I mean, you know, it is a jungle after all. You know how the song goes, right? It's a jungle after all. It's a jungle after all. Right? That's how the song goes, right? No? What do you mean? That is how the song goes. Okay, well. If you look up to your left, folks, you're going to see our gift shop all decked out for the holidays. We got a bunch of holiday deals going on. One of them being if you want your own Skipper Santa hat. They're pretty cool. We make them ourselves, yeah. And if you need help finding the right fit, just ask one of us skippers. You know, our specialty is capsizing. Yeah, it is, capsizing. Well, never mind. Looks like Trader Santa is currently out. You know, he's probably getting more merchandise from the, what's that place called? Stroller parking. That's what it is, yeah. Stroller parking. Which brings me to another great deal we got going on. If you can prove that something was once from your stroller, we'll give it back to you. For half off, yeah. Great deal. Great deal we got. Now, does anyone know how much Santa paid for his sleigh? How much? 1,000? How many? How much? 10 million, no? It was nothing. He paid nothing. It was on the house. Yeah. Now, can anyone tell me the difference between Hanukkah and a dragon? Okay, well, Hanukkah's 8 days, and dragon's 8 nights. No? Okay. Well, everyone, I hope you all enjoyed your time here at the Jingle Cruise today. You know, we've been through a lot together, you know. We laughed together. We cried together. And you know what, folks? We nearly died together. Now, I can't tell you where for obvious legal reasons. Yeah, but, you know, I'd say going through... Hello? There we go. As I was saying, I think going through all that together kind of makes us like a family. Don't you guys think so? Yeah. But just like my family, 10 to 15 minutes in a boat at Magic Kingdom is way too long. So, as we do approach the dock, for your safety, remain seated with hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and supervise your children. Yeah. Don't want anyone ending up on the naughty list, so just make sure they're fully seated. Speaking of being on the naughty list, my friends on this side, don't cross over those crates or this gap right there. You're going to go all the way down and exit through that back door. My friends on this side, in the middle, you're going to exit through that middle door. Yeah. Yeah, because if you cross over, first off, crossing over is a Haunted Mansion thing. Yeah. And, you know, it's a fire hazard. You could trip and fall, and then I'm going to point and laugh, and then I get fired. So, yeah. Yeah, no one wants that to happen. You also could trip and hurt yourself, and then you're going to have a black and blue Christmas. Yeah. And that would hurt. That would not be fun. Would not be fun. Yeah. Well, everybody, once this holiday traffic clears up, they're loading this boat. They're taking a trip to the volcano. Yeah, let us send a boat to the volcano every once in a while to get rid of it. Oh, I know it's a little early, but does anyone know what they want for Christmas yet? What do you want? Coal? You want coal? What? How much you want coal? Anybody else? You know what you want? You know what you want? No? Do you know what you want? Coal? You want coal? What? Why does everyone want coal? Oh, what? Okay, you see these skippers right here? They're holding up to number 2. I thought I did better than that. That's my rating out of 10. What the heck, guys? I thought I did better than that. I guess not, so. Well, everybody, even though I got a 2 out of 10, I'm going to leave you all today by saying happy holidays. And if you don't celebrate the holidays, that's okay. Happy Thursday, I guess, yeah. And if you don't celebrate Thursdays, well, you got to try a sundae. They're delicious. I like a scoop of vanilla and a brownie with mine, yeah. Well, everyone, now it's time for you all to make like Santa, dash away, and leave my presents. So, you know.
Welcome back, guys.
All right. Watch your head, watch your step, use the handrail. Oh no, I forgot my New Year's Eve jokes. Wow, I really dropped the ball on that one. Watch your head, watch your step, use the handrail. If you enjoyed your Jingle Cruise today, my name is Skipper Nate.